Good morning, my good friends of Trade Ideas. I'm just showing you what's heating up on the race side. Of course, you've got drug DRUG that's up 347%, and that's been going all day long. So those who have been watching the races from the open got this under two. There's NEPT, Neptune Wellness Solutions, up 85%. And energy names are moving. I just bought GBR in my 401k that I show on Twitter all the time. So this is the view you need to see to dominate the stock market. You can literally forget everything else. And by the way, the AI is about to start trading all of these names. Unbelievable things are happening at Trade Ideas. Today through Sunday, you're going to get a bigger discount if you're ready to subscribe to Trade Ideas, and we hope that you do. So come over, take a look, and see why we're the best in the business.